How to delete TaxAct account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open your preferred browser. Now you need to visit the TaxAct website by typing TaxAct account taxact.com and press enter on your keyboard to visit the official website of TaxAct. Here you need to find customer support, navigate to support or customer care. And now click on support in order to locate their phone number, email, or live chat option. Now you need to contact TaxAct support via call, email, or live chat and provide the required verification details like full name, email link to your account, any other required or the requested informations. After you are done with that, you simply need to follow the support instruction. You may need to complete a request form or confirm via email and wait for a confirmation message from TaxAct once the deletion is processed. Lastly, verify the deletion. Check if your account is no longer activated. Once you found that, you will successfully delete your TaxAct account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.